You need me.
When you look at me, what do you see? Greatness.
P.A.C.T.S.
What do you smell? What the walk is cooking? Who wants to meet an astronaut?
Here's the deal. Lower your expectations.
I've tracked the legend to every village, every island. You're searching for something that can't be found.
Mr. Johnson, this is the P.A.C.T.S program coming to you from Parma Senior High in Parma, Ohio.
Every year we host a luau for students with special needs. We invite 15 districts in Northeast Ohio.
Due to COVID, we haven't been able to have the dance in 2 years.
This year we're shooting for the stars, you being that star.
Consider this your invitation. We want you to come and show us a thing or two on the dance floor.
April 29th, 2022, mark your calendar.
Look at that, so thank you.